Welcome. Ever wondered about the process involved in fusing two metal sheets or objects together? Let's find out more about this technique most commonly used in the manufacturing sector. This simulation aims to provide exposure to the manufacturing field by using a welding gun on two metal sheets to better understand the process of joining them together through welding. Please wear the face shield before starting the process. Use the gloves to don the protective gear. Great. Grab the welding gun with your right hand. Now, grab the welding electrode with your left hand. This tool helps in the joining process. To properly weld the metal sheet together, hold the welding electrode and the welding gun between the two pieces. Excellent. Now that's how you weld a sheet together. This simulation aimed to provide preliminary exposure for welding. We hope you enjoyed the simulation. This concludes our welding experience. Feel free to go through it again or jump back to the homepage and try a different experience.